Hey everyone, it's your name, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today because we're going to talk about something incredibly important for your health and well-being. Today, we're diving deep into the world of liver health, specifically tackling fatty liver disease. This condition affects millions of people worldwide, and it's crucial to understand how it can impact your overall health. Now you might be wondering, why should I care about my liver? Well, let me tell you. Your liver is one of the most vital organs in your body. Your liver is like the superhero of your body, working tirelessly behind the scenes to detoxify your blood, process nutrients, and fight off infections. It performs over 500 essential functions, making it indispensable for your health. But when fat builds up in your liver, it can't function at its best, and that's where fatty liver disease comes in. This condition can lead to serious health issues if left unchecked, including liver inflammation, scarring, and even liver failure. The good news is there are natural ways to combat this condition and restore your liver to its former glory. By making some lifestyle changes and incorporating natural remedies, you can significantly improve your liver health. In this video, I'm going to equip you with the knowledge and tools to take control of your liver health. We'll cover everything from diet and exercise to herbal supplements and stress management techniques. We'll be exploring 5 powerful natural methods that can help reverse fatty liver disease and improve your overall well-being. These methods are not only effective but also easy to incorporate into your daily routine. So, if you're ready to give your liver some love and learn how to live a healthier, more vibrant life, then keep watching. Together, we'll embark on this journey to better liver health and overall wellness. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk about the cornerstone of good health diet. The food choices we make every day play a crucial role in our overall well-being. And one of the most affected organs is our liver. What you eat has a direct impact on your liver, and making simple changes to your plate can make a world of difference. A healthy liver is essential for detoxifying our body, producing bile for digestion, and storing essential nutrients. First and foremost, we need to cut back on the sugary drinks. These beverages are often loaded with high fructose corn syrup and other sugars that can be detrimental to liver health. I'm talking about soda, fruit juices, and those fancy coffee concoctions loaded with sugar. Even seemingly healthy options like fruit juices can contain high amounts of sugar. These sugary beverages are like kryptonite to your liver, leading to fat accumulation and inflammation. Over time, this can result in conditions like fatty liver disease, which can severely impact liver function. Instead, opt for water, unsweetened tea, or infused water with fruits and herbs for a refreshing and liver-friendly drink. These alternatives not only hydrate you, but also support liver health without adding unnecessary sugars. Next up, let's load up on fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and can help prevent liver disease. These foods act like little brooms, sweeping through your digestive system and helping your liver function optimally. They aid in the elimination of toxins and support the liver's natural detoxification processes. Aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. This variety ensures you get a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support liver health, and make whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats your go-to carbs. These grains are not only rich in fiber but also provide essential nutrients that help maintain liver health. Now let's talk about healthy fats. Fats are often misunderstood, but they are crucial for liver health. Don't be afraid of fats. Healthy fats are necessary for the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and provide energy for the liver to perform its functions. Your liver needs them, but it's all about choosing the right kind. Avoid trans fats and saturated fats and instead focus on unsaturated fats. Incorporate sources of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil into your diet. These fats can help reduce inflammation and support overall liver function. These good fats provide your liver with the energy it needs to function properly and can actually help reduce liver fat. Including them in your meals can make a significant difference in your liver health. And finally, limit processed foods, saturated and trans fats, and excess sodium. These elements can contribute to liver damage and other health issues. These dietary villains can wreak havoc on your liver, so it's best to keep them to a minimum. Instead, focus on whole, unprocessed foods that nourish your body and support liver health. Now let's get physical. Regular exercise isn't just good for your heart and waistline, it's a game changer for your liver too. When you engage in physical activity, you're essentially giving your liver a helping hand. Exercise helps your body use insulin more effectively, which in turn helps regulate blood sugar levels and prevents excess fat storage in the liver. Think of it like this. Exercise is like a workout buddy for your liver, helping it stay in tip-top shape. The best part is, you don't need to become a marathon runner overnight to reap the benefits. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could be anything from brisk walking, jogging, swimming, cycling, or even dancing. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. And hey, if you're new to exercise, start slow and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Remember, consistency is key. Let's talk about weight loss, a topic that's often surrounded by pressure and unrealistic expectations. But here's the thing, even losing a small amount of weight can have a significant impact on your liver health. When you carry excess weight, especially around your abdomen, it puts extra stress on your liver. This can lead to inflammation and further fat accumulation. But when you lose weight, even just 5 to 10% of your body weight, you're taking a huge load off your liver, allowing it to function more efficiently. Now I know what you might be thinking, easier said than done, right? And you're right, weight loss is a journey, not a sprint. The key is to focus on sustainable lifestyle changes rather than quick fixes. Make gradual changes to your diet, incorporate regular exercise into your routine, and be patient with yourself. Remember, every little bit counts, and even small steps in the right direction can make a big difference for your liver health. Let's talk about alcohol and its impact on your liver. Now I know this can be a sensitive topic, but it's important to understand the relationship between alcohol consumption and liver health. Your liver is your primary detox organ, and when you consume alcohol, your liver has to work extra hard to process and break it down. While moderate alcohol consumption might not pose a significant threat to a healthy liver, excessive alcohol intake can wreak havoc on this vital organ. Over time, excessive alcohol consumption can lead to a buildup of fat in the liver, inflammation, and eventually, more serious conditions like alcoholic fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, and even liver failure. So, what's the takeaway here? Moderation is key. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so in moderation. And if you're struggling with alcohol dependence, please seek professional help. Your liver will thank you for it. Let's explore the world of herbal supplements and how they can support liver health. The liver is one of the most vital organs in our body, responsible for detoxifying chemicals, metabolizing drugs, and producing proteins important for blood clotting and other functions. Maintaining liver health is crucial for overall well-being. For centuries, people have turned to nature to find remedies for various ailments, and liver health is no exception. Traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine have long utilized herbs to support liver function and detoxification processes. One such herb that's been gaining popularity for its liver protective properties is milk thistle. This plant, native to the Mediterranean region, has been used for over 2,000 years as a natural treatment for liver disorders. This powerful herb contains a compound called silymarin, which acts as an antioxidant, protecting the liver from damage caused by toxins and free radicals. Silymarin is believed to help regenerate liver tissue, reduce inflammation, and protect liver cells from damage. Another herb that's making waves in the world of liver health is turmeric. Known for its bright yellow color and use in culinary dishes, turmeric has been revered in traditional medicine for its healing properties. You might know turmeric as the spice that gives curry its vibrant yellow color, but it's also a potent anti-inflammatory, thanks to its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its potential to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the liver. Curcumin has been shown to protect the liver from damage, reduce inflammation, and even help regenerate liver cells. It may also enhance the liver's ability to detoxify harmful substances, making it a valuable addition to liver support regimens. Now it's important to note that while these herbs show promise in supporting liver health, more research is needed to fully understand their effectiveness and potential side effects. Scientific studies are ongoing to determine the optimal dosages and long-term safety of these supplements. Always consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating any new supplements into your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Your healthcare provider can help you determine the right approach for your individual health needs and ensure that any supplements you take do not interact negatively with your current treatments. So there you have it, 5 natural methods to help combat fatty liver disease and improve your overall liver health. Remember, your liver is an amazing organ that works tirelessly to keep you healthy, so it's essential to give it the care it deserves. By making simple yet impactful changes to your diet, incorporating regular exercise into your routine, maintaining a healthy weight, moderating alcohol consumption, and considering natural supplements under the guidance of your healthcare provider, you can empower yourself to take control of your liver health and live a healthier, more vibrant life. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy.